Alright, Blast representing MG Sports here. We're here with the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club. Who have right here?
Mr. Milton Wong from Magnificent Troopers.
Nice to meet you, sir. Tell me about this organization a little bit more.
Alright, so let me start from the marching band views.
Okay.
Right? So
Okay,
at the background.
Okay.
So the Magnificent Troopers
Come over this side
is...
then.
You guys, just in case there's no tissue in the bathroom,
Alright,
buy
thank
your
you.
girl cookie wash, okay?
in
Alright.
existence from 1982, right? And we were called by Kyle Wallace, to come and be a part of the whole Reggae Boy. And it is a must, because anything we have to do with supporting the whole football federation and the ballers and bring the vibes and everything, we are here. You understand? Along with the Reggae Boys community, who asks us to be a part as well. So we're here in full swing, the marching band is here, and we are here to do our part.
Alright, so what would you like to come out of this? What's the purpose of the group right now that we form, and how long has it been around?
Well, with Kyle, I think it's over a year now, with Kyle Wallace. That's a Reggae Boy and Reggae.
A year and you have a band and everything already. That look good, man. Whole heap of progress, that, man. So tell me what's your main goal, what you want out of this?
All right, for us as a marching band and the Reggae Boy boys and girls club, is to bring the whole, to get people.
The vibe back, bring back the vibe.
People come and support the Reggae Boy. Not just stay at your home and watch it and say, yeah, and so forth. Come here, support them on the field. You know, just come and bring the vibes to them. Cheer for them, whether them up or down. We are here as a nation and as Jamaican. And that's what we are here as a marching band to do.
So what we doing other than the marching band today? Because what position you have in this association?
All right. Well, basically, I'm here just with the marching band for now. For now. Right. And as I know, we're going to have future meetings to get the band more involved into the entertainment part inside of the stadium. So away from outside here, we're going inside, you know, to do some nice performance and get the crowd up and ready. Yeah,
so what we're doing? We're giving away anything today? Don't have nothing to give away to the people then?
From the marching band side, I think you would have to talk to Mr. Kyle Wallace.
All right, where's Mr. Kyle? Where's Mr. Wallace? Where is Mr. Wallace? Him there, boy? Come man, come talk to him, man. Come man, come talk to him. What you say? Him can't talk? All right, them say him can't talk. The mascot? Come here, come talk to him. Come here, mascot. Him can't see where we're there? Come talk to it, talk to it. What you have to say? Crocky baller. All right. Ready. Them barely can hear. He must say big up the Reggae Boys. You can see him properly. You can.
The crocodile represents.
All right, so the crocodile right here, so you see everything will go on.
Conquering, and you know the whole thing behind the crocodile.
Now, man, the mascot is a bad man. A whole heap of things are going right here, so people make sure to come out and support the Reggae Boys Association. Remember, if you come at the match, whole heap of tickets still here for sale. But them are going to see this afterwards, though. But make sure to come back in October for our next match against Honduras. All right?
Super supporters and all the founders, Billy, Ted, Trooper, and all the members behind me. Respect. And the whole football federation.
Come, give me some. All right. Read him up.
Ready up.
You want to plug it?